In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download your Etsy reviews data in a simple and practical way. First, understand this. Etsy does not always provide a direct reviews export in all accounts, but you can download available data or use alternative methods to collect your reviews. Now, if you want to download your Etsy reviews data, here's what to do. Start by going to the Etsy website or app and logging into your account. Next, open your Shop Manager from the top menu. After that, go to Settings and scroll down to find the Download Data section. Then, check if there is a reviews related data option available. Now, select your preferred date range and choose CSV format if available. After that, click Download to export your data file. Then, open the file using a spreadsheet tool to review your customer feedback. If you don't see a direct reviews export option, you can use third-party tools or manually collect reviews from your shop page. Next, analyze your reviews data by looking for common keywords, customer feedback patterns, and repeat buyer mentions. Keep in mind that understanding your reviews can help you improve your listings, customer service, and overall shop performance. That's it. By downloading and analyzing your Etsy reviews data, you can make smarter decisions and grow your shop more effectively.